In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the height of an element in Canva. If you're designing in Canva and need precise sizing, knowing the exact height of an element is essential. Maybe you're matching components across pages, aligning a logo to a specific measurement, or keeping social media assets consistent. Whatever the reason, the process is quick once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening your project in Canva, so you're on the page with the element you want to check. Make sure the element itself is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with resize handles around it. If you've accidentally selected multiple items, Canva will display the size for the group instead of a single object, so select just one element if you need its individual height. With the element selected, look toward the top toolbar. There, you'll find an option labeled Position. Click that. When you do, a small panel opens on the left side of your canvas. This panel is where Canva gives you precise information about the selected object. In this panel, you'll see the size fields. The height value is shown there, typically side by side with the width. It may be labeled with an H for height and a W for width, and it's usually displayed in pixels by default, depending on your project's units. That's all you need to check the height. You don't have to make any changes. Simply note the number shown in the height field. If you don't see a height value, double-check that the element is still selected and that the panel you opened is the Position panel. If the panel looks different or you don't see size information right away, scroll inside that panel or expand it if necessary. Canva's interface can shift slightly depending on your screen size, but the height field will be there whenever a single element is active. A quick tip. The height you see reflects the element's bounding box. For text, that includes the text box area, not just the tallest letter. For grouped items, it shows the overall group height. Also remember that zooming your canvas in or out won't change the height measurement. It only changes how large the element appears on your screen, and that's it. Select your element, click, position in the top toolbar, and read the height value in the panel that opens on the left. It's simple, accurate, and helps keep your designs consistent.